let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna do a downtown drive. I'm looking over my left shoulder, my left blinker's on, and I'm covering the brake. Turning back hand over hand. We have a four-way stop. The first car to get here is the first car to leave. So this truck is here for a second. They're here, there's Amazon. Hopefully they got my package. So he didn't really stop, but I'm gonna go ahead and stop. And then I'm gonna go ahead and give them the right of way. So I gave them the right of way. I'm gonna wait. Okay, they gave me the right of way. So I waved, the right of way can be given. I'm looking and checking, I wave again because I'm nice. And then I turn back hand over hand. So I'm scanning, man, look at that Mustang, whoa. So I'm just scanning, looking around, watching for cars, watching for people, being that defensive driver. And it's nice to go into downtown areas. You want to practice your skill sets. You want to be a defensive driver. The country is opening back up here in North America and pretty much around the world. You know, get your COVID shot. So I'm going to go up and then I'm going to make a right-hand turn. So the first car to get here is the first car to leave. I stop at the stop line and I'm looking, checking, and then I'm going to roll forward. And I'm going slow because I really can't see. I'm looking through the glass right there. It's a little tip. I see the two people there. And then I'm gonna go up. Now, I'm gonna show you a tip. If I just let the wheel go, watch what happens. See the car go over? You have to turn hand over hand. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and make a right turn up here. Got some more four-way stops. I love these because you need to know. So the first car here is the first car to leave. I'm having complete stop. And then I'm looking at them. I'm gonna wait, no blinker on, very confusing. Okay, so I have my right turn signal, I'm looking, I'm checking. So learn from that. This is a great downtown drive. There's the court building in case some of you, wanna know the law. So I'm going up to the edge. I'm looking, checking, you can see me looking and scanning. And I'm going up to the stop sign. I like these little tight areas. The pedestrian on the bike has the right of way. I'm turning on my right turn signal. I see them looking at me. Hopefully I stop behind the stop line because we're taught the correct way to stop. I look left, I look right, and then I go up. I like these little tight turns, and I'm gonna turn hand over hand. If I overturn, I will hit this person. I'm not trying to hit someone. So I'm gonna go up, I'm scanning, I see people to my right, and you notice I'm telling you this because you've got to use your eyes. If you're not using your eyes, you're gonna end up hitting something or someone. So I see a person, there's that person on the bike again. I'm gonna have a complete stop. Then I'm gonna go ahead, make a left turn. They're hiding, they go first. Now it's my turn because I was here first, but see, they didn't stop. So I'm gonna wave at them. I was here first, and then I turn out hand to hand. If you're not sure, let the person go. This is a really dangerous left turn, and I wanna show you this. It's not just dangerous because there is the courthouse, because some of you have warrants for your arrest, but it's dangerous because you can't see. So I'm gonna go up really easy. You can see that car hiding, and people get excited about the court because someone could be going to jail. But someone can see how dangerous this is, but I'm showing you and I'm taking my time and just going out here. And then I turn. So when you're driving, you gotta take your time and not turn out hand over hand. Again, scanning, right? Being careful. Always looking around for people, pedestrians. I wanna be safe. And also there are a lot of one-ways in downtown areas, which is very confusing. In fact, one of my friends in high school, he got a ticket, and I'm not gonna say his name, but he said, hey, I got a ticket. And I said, how did you get a ticket? I was going the wrong way. I'm saying to myself, what? How could a person get a ticket going the wrong way? But this area is conducive of a lot of one-ways. And if you understand one-ways, they facilitate smoother flow of traffic. So I'm looking, I'm scanning, very confusing turn. I want to see the rear of the tires on the ground. And that's a pretty good stop. Also, a lot of vehicles do have computers in there to give you information on north, south, east, and west. This particular vehicle, we're low on gas. The temperature is below half, which is fine. We got pit bull playing here, but hey, driver's license. That's pretty good. So I'm looking, I'm scanning. I always want to be careful. I'm getting up to speed. You see me looking. And the one thing I want to give you is proper observation skills. You've got to scan, you've got to look around. Let's talk about pulling into a gas station. My blinker's on, I'm looking, I'm scanning, I'm squeezing my brake, and then I'm turning, right? So how do you know what side the gas tank is on? Well, there's a little icon right here. The gas tank is on the driver's side. So I line up and I'm set. But I'm gonna go ahead and go inside and get a D-boy hat. because I'm from Detroit. Guys, ladies, if you found this content and educational, fun, give it a thumbs up. If you like it, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you, and thank you.